Welcome back, friends, family, and neighbors. Today I'm going to be making crème fraîche. This is a keto version of crème fraîche. What you're going to need is you're going to need some heavy whipping cream, you're going to need some buttermilk, or real lemon juice. So let me go ahead and show you how to make this right now. Okay, so what you're going to need to do is start out with 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Okay, and what we're going to do is just going to put this into a glass bowl. Make sure this is a glass bowl and one that has a tight lid. Alright, so we're just going to pour that in there. And then the next step, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of either buttermilk or your lemon juice. So in the video here, I'm going to be using buttermilk. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're just going to put this to the side and we're going to place the lid on this container. After 12 to 16 hours of it setting out at room temperature, what you're going to do is open the lid and make sure you stir it to make it thick. Stir it until the mixture becomes thick. After that, you're going to put it in the refrigerator. Okay, so now we're going to put this into the refrigerator, let it chill for a little bit, and then it'll be good to go. I've tried both versions, both with the lemon juice and both with just the buttermilk. The buttermilk, even though I'm not a super big fan of buttermilk, it actually tastes better, the crème fraîche does, when you use it. But you can just test it. Maybe even put a little bit of lemon in with the buttermilk, just a little bit. But just try different things to see which one tastes the best for you. Just remember that once the crème fraîche is made, you have 1 week to use it. You can leave it in your refrigerator and use it. After 1 week, it starts getting a little bad, but you have up to 1 week to use it. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description below. And I have a bunch of links down there to the products that we use here on the videos, including these shirts that I make. I make these shirts. I have a screen printing business on the side. Just click those links down there if you'd like to get one of these shirts. I have sizes small through 3XL. If you do want children's type of shirts, send me a message and I can accommodate you for that as well. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel to see future content. Also, make sure you check out our social media platforms. If you'd like to download the recipes, just click on our link down there or go to www.practicalhealingfoods.com. Go to our recipe on the bar. It'll take you there, and then you can just print out any recipes and all recipes that we have listed. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Make sure you say a prayer for the peace of Jerusalem, and we'll keep you in our prayers. Until next week, take care, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye.